I'm here talking to Linda Hubert, who is an expert, they tell me, on all of the Eastern European eggs. Linda, what are we doing here?
I'm doing a Ukrainian Pysanka. Right now I'm just drawing the basic dividing lines. I'm going to start a new egg because this one's already ready to go in the first color.
So is this your initial design? Or?
Actually, this is where I start my initial design from. It's just my guide that I'm gonna divide my egg before I do my design in wax.
Now, this is quite a contraption you have here. Tell me about this.
Oh, this is actually something they came up with. I actually just use a regular candle and some beeswax, and I heat my instrument. This is the original tool. This is called a kistka, and kistka, it's K-I-S-T-K-A, not kishka. Kistka means a piece of wood, and that's exactly what this is. It's a piece of wood with a little copper funnel on it, and it's got a little point here, and put beeswax in it, heat it up over the candle, and then I start to write. Pysanka comes from the Ukrainian word pisata, which means to write. I'm actually writing a design on the egg. A lot of people ask me if I paint eggs, and I said, no, I don't paint. I don't use paints. I use wax and dyes. Okay, so my design actually comes from writing with wax on the egg. Okay, this one is a little bit more modern tool that's been made here in America, and it actually gives me a much finer line. Excuse me. So I'm going to take a little bit of beeswax here, and I'm going to heat up my tool, my kistka. And like I said, these are just guidelines here. And I want to dab the excess wax off. I'm going to heat it and dab it. And then I'm going to start to write.
Are you creating the design as you go, or is this a pattern you want to use? Or
yeah, I kind of have an idea what I want to do in my head.